Impossible, so they said. Well, that was till I started just doing it. Plasma cutting the mount from an old fort apart to retrieve the critical parts, and then building my own. Grinding, and some more grinding. You know, grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. Then doing a little bit of precision here, laying everything out on the table, taking dimensions, clamping it down to the table, and then building some connection bars there to build my own mount, trying to copy and improve a little bit what I saw on that print that you see later in the video. So, looks like it fits pretty good. This is where the inspiration came from. An old Meyer brochure. I mean, the real inspiration came from Germany. As you guys know, I grew up there. I saw plenty of people plow with sprinters. And apparently Meyer at some point made something. When I contacted them, they said, absolutely, something like this is not available. We've never had it. We don't know where you got this brochure from. There's 10 inches of snow on the ground. They got to go away somehow. So I'm going to show you how good this setup really works. So the 170 wheelbase Sprinter is not exactly nimble, maybe not be the perfect vehicle for it. The plow on there is a Western midweight. It fits in weight and width pretty much exactly to what that Meyer plow used to be. When you look at the Sprinter, it has pretty much the same GVW and the same axle ratings like a Nissan Titan, and you can put a midweight on a Titan. So the Western dealer said, I don't care where you put this on. Once you buy it and you have it and you own it, it's yours. Absolutely, we don't think it will fit on a Sprinter. Mercedes says, absolutely, you cannot snowplow with a Sprinter. It's just not happening. And after like enough people told me what I couldn't do, well, that inspired me to do just what you're not supposed to be able to do. So a big shout out to HTP for letting me use the shop in the middle of winter to put that plow on. And shout out to Rockmount Research and Alloys for providing the welding wire. And a shout out for Mercedes for doing nothing besides selling me a 4x4 Sprinter. And shout out to Western for making an awesome snowplow. So here you go. I mean, this is now the second winter I have this on here. Of course, I'm always late on editing my videos, but it works beautiful, and I wouldn't want to live without one. Now, when you plow a lot of snow, it's always important to have a good co-pilot with you, somebody who really takes his job serious, doesn't sleep on the job and helps you stay awake and plow.